HP 17-inch touchscreen laptop, and come to find out it had some RAM issues, and so I said I wanted to upgrade the RAM. So this is the process that I had to find out in order how to install RAM into this laptop. So this is the top side and the bottom side. So the screw points I had to take out. These are the screws right here. So these are the screw points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4. But unknowingly, you see this right here, this rubber foot stopper here, or the foot portion. So those come off, and there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right up top there. So take those off, and then you take the battery out, and there's 3 more screws in there. Pretty simple. So then when you come here and get this unit here going and get it split up. Now I was able to get this back in, snap them back into place, and it seems like a nice good fit there. And so before I put the screws in, we'll just test to make sure that it's coming on. And I see the light over here. Now it may come up because I had that battery, had it going, and when I split it back open, may come up with a diagnostic, but it did that before, but it was able to allow me to go into Windows 10 with no problem. So all right, so that's how you do it. So using a screwdriver like this, this is not a good screwdriver to use, so I had to use this and then the bottle opener that in order to get the screws out, because this head is just a little bit fat for that Phillips, that little computer sized Phillips screw, and able to use the bottle openers to slide through. So that's all I needed. I'm good to go. All right, have a good day. So save more with DMORR. So the RAM, so I got 8 RAM, 8 gigs in here. This machine only takes up to 8, so had one spot, and so was able to. And you see, this is the type that I ended up putting in, G-Skill. So 8 gigabytes of RAM, and save more with DMORR. So the RAM was $50, so it was on sale. It was originally $64. Got it from Micro Center, one of my favorite computer places. You know, for supplies, for maybe a little bit of software, not so much now, but computers, and so I've gotten computers there. I've gotten desktops. I built my own from bare bones packages, antivirus software, you know, so over the years. So it's been, Micro Center has been good to me, and their prices are generally pretty good. So I always recommend Micro Center. All right, have a good day. Save more with DMORR.